Want to know how to buy a Nintendo Switch online membership to play games? This online membership lets you play the online games on your Switch. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy an online membership in a second. So let's get started. First, from your home page, tap on your user account. Now from the side menu, go to the user settings. Then on the right side, scroll down a bit. Here, tap on check your subscription. Wait a bit, and when it's done loading, tap on membership option. From here, you can choose either individual or family membership option. For example, if you tap on individual, here you have 1, 3, and 12 month options. Select the one that you like and tap on proceed to purchase. Now select a payment method and complete the payment process. When you're done with your payment, you'll have the complete online membership access. And that's how you can buy a Nintendo Online membership. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.